Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Hyundai Elantra. Start your day in smart style in this feature-packed Elantra. You'll love its ergonomic controls, standard rear-view camera, refined ride, modern looks, and confidence-inspiring safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Innovation meets refinement in this modern, energetic Elantra. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.